It's a 2015 Acura RDX. This RDX provides the room and safety you need with the aggressive styling, power, and efficiency you crave. It comes with great features you'll love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Cars.com explains the Acura RDX is better armed to win over shoppers. It's larger, lighter, and more efficient, while offering an attractive value proposition. Luxury, performance, Acura. Experience it for yourself today.
Why shop anywhere else? Cain BMW, conveniently located at 6461 Whipple Avenue Northwest in North Canton, Ohio.